All right, Miss Crystal, I got you. This drink is kind of fucked up, but I figure it kind of suited me and you both. I'm just guessing there, but okay, here we go. A lot going in this, so we're doing little bits of stuff. Some Captain Morgan white rum, and some Ruby Kinky, and then some blank Scrabble piece for the white, because it's like some freaking spicy mountain water, man, because I can smell it. Okay, and then some Sprite, and then some triple sec. This actually does not sound bad. Oh, I emptied that. And then some Absolute Citron. And then some Liquor 43. All right, let's see what we have. Woo! Miss Crystal, what do we got going on here? All right, let's see. Here we go. First thing off the bat, ooh, spicy mountain water. Oh God, damn, that's some strong shit. Okay, but yeah, it's not bad. Other than my eyeballs is about to pop out of my head right now. Crystal, there you go.